Come on, everybody. Today I do the breakfast. My wife, she said, "Hey, Pasquale, you do the breakfast." Okay, I do the breakfast my way. What I did, I got a little shallot to fry. I put the sweet potato, a sweet pepper, red. Now, what I gotta do, I got 4 eggs over here. And I want to put 4 eggs. But before I do the eggs, I make a little hole over here, another one over here, 3 and 4. Like this. Now, I want to crack the eggs on this little dish. I know what, you never know. Maybe the eggs will not come out right. Yeah, I'll crack right over here. Oh, and we got 1. 2. It come out really good. Look how beautiful eggs I got over here. Okay, 1 more. All right. Now this, we put the flame on a little bit on medium, and we cover. Okay, like this you see what's going on with these eggs. You don't gotta stay too long, because the eggs, so you cook too much, it come too dry, you want nice the eggs that come. And we got a nice coffee, and we get breakfast this morning like this. We got sweet potato, sweet red pepper, shallot, and eggs. See already now, I'll show you everybody, look at this. See? But this you gotta cook on low. You know, it take a little time, you gotta cook on low. So you cook, you put the flame so high, it not come out right, because the eggs you gotta cook really slow. But so you don't want to cook on top of the stove, you can put it in the oven. And like this, you no cover, and you put right in the oven, and you can cook the same way. But I want to cook on top of the stove. A lot of people say, "Oh, I gotta put the oven on." It's okay, you can cook like this. You cover, and you see the eggs come nice, the color on the yolk. Still not color yet, the yolk, still it's yellow. At the time, let's wait. Let me do something for everybody. Okay, everybody ask me, "Pasquale, how old are you? How long time you do this?" I show. I got it. All right. I'll put this over here. Let's do something like this. The eggs you gotta cook. All right. Little more. I want to do a little jump fast. I want to see how I can do fast. Skip. Okay, it's enough. A little more. I like one of the eggs, it's nice. You gotta run a little bit. Like this, and now I want to pour a little coffee for me. Wow, it's a steam, really hot. Okay. This one looks nice. Hey. All right. We load the gas. And we turn off. Okay, I want to put a little, cause everything is salt. The only thing that the eggs I put a little salt, a little black pepper. All right. And let's just say, oh, it's really, really good. Good taste. It's cooked the way I like this. But if you want to cook more, it's okay. You can cook more. But I like this one. You run a little bit of the yolk. A little cup of coffee. It's really breakfast in the morning. It's easy to make, really easy. And I want to say thank you so much to everybody. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.